Hello guys, and welcome back to the DocMack Car Channel. If you hadn't seen the previous video, this is my new project Toyota Camry. It's a 6th generation 2008. Now the car did not run and drive, and make sure to check out that video and see what happened to the car. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full interior deep clean of the vehicle. It's got 252,000 kilometers on the clock, so you can imagine how much crud there is on the seats of 252,000 kilometers. Now let's go into the vehicle and let's take a look at the inside. All right, there you can see. It's not overly bad, but for 252,000 kilometers, there's a lot of general dirt in there and things would have been embedded into the seat. So I'm going to get that one nice and clean. Going down the back. All right, so as you can see down the back, it's not too bad. But on camera, it looks much better, but there's actually quite a lot of dirt embedded into the seat. All right, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is start off with a good vacuum. All right, I'm going to vacuum the rest of the car, but as a part of the cleaning, I'm going to take the headrest out first. Okay, so there's one headrest out. You can see there's a lot of hair on it. So when I do my deep cleaning, I can clean it up properly. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of the vacuum. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do next is I have my steamer. So I'm going to give the seat a good steam down. And this is just a cloth steamer, but it's quite good because it's got quite a lot of steam in it. And what this steam does is it'll kill any bugs. And this steamer set me back about 100 New Zealand dollars, but I got it on special for about 50 bucks. And this is in itself will pay for itself. All right, guys, you can see it getting steaming mad at dirt. So what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to do an extractor vacuum clean, which will actually soak up the seats and then extract all the dirt. But I've got an even better trick. Before I start that, I'm going to brush the seats down with my drill, and I'm going to show you exactly what that entails. So now I've got some multi-purpose cleaner mixed with dishwashing liquid, and I'm going to saturate the seat down. And you want to be liberal, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my drill with an attachment bit so that I can scrub it down properly. And then I'm going to try and do it. This basically will get rid of all the bum crud and all that which is actually stuck on the seat. And then after this, we can extract it down. Alright guys, we're going to do the rest of the seat, including the base. You can see now it's properly saturated. All right, guys, so this is what I call the spot clean. It's the Bissell spot clean. And what it does is it is a seat cleaner that actually saturates the seat, scrubs it, and then it sucks all the water out. So I'm going to do that on the seat now. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to extract anything that's there. Okay, I have extracted it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray Dettol on it. And I got my Dettol solution in here. All right, guys, and this is my other attachment that I have. Alright guys, as you can see, the seats are now nice, clean. They have dried after 2 days. Now the headrest has also been scrubbed, shampooed and steam cleaned, so it's now looking nice and fresh. Now what I'm going to do next is the doors and also the steering wheel and the center console. Now I've given it a general wipe down, but now I'm going to give it a scrub down. And this is an area where you normally get dead skin. As you can see, somebody's hair is right here. There's a lot of pets in this car, but I think pets were the least of the concern. Because the people who previously owned this car didn't appear to be very tidy and clean people, as you can see. There you go. You can see how much dirt and filth there is in there. And there you can see. That's the final result. I was not joking when I said there's a lot of butt crud, bum crumbs, and human grease on the seat. You can see how much of dirt actually came out. I'm not going to open the bottle because we may need a priest for that. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and feel free to give it a like.